Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. Today I did some CVS. Here was a really good time. I did two transactions. This was transaction 1, this is transaction 2. Sometimes down the line, tell you the deals. You can work out however you want to. I was just rolling extra bucks. So I grabbed a Conair hairbrush, it was $10, and you got like 5. A Blade Torque razor 2 count was $1.89. You got $1.99, $1.99 back. The CVS mask was $1.87 with $1.87 back. CVS liners, these were 99 cents with a 99-cent extra buck back. The Colgate, this reset. I wasn't expecting that. It was $3.50. I had a $3 CVS coupon and a 50-cent manufacturer's. So I made that free. The CVS 20-count wipes are 99 cents, and you get 99 cents right back. The Orbit was 99 cents with 99 cents back. The Schick was $7.99. It had a $2 printable. It's been gone for a while. I jumped on it as soon as I saw it. And it had a $5 CRT. So I paid 99 cents and got back 6. Crazy. On the Just the Basics bath tissue, this was 99 cents. 99 cents, get 99 cents back. CVS ibuprofen was $3.19. You get $3.19 back. The Palmolive was $2.49. It had a $1.50 off. CRT, so 99 cents. And then the Just the Basics paper towels were 89 cents. You got back 89 cents in extra bucks. And then here, this wasn't the best. It was 3 for $4. I have no idea if my digital coupon came off. I don't understand the CVS receipt. But it all worked out exactly what I expected, so I'm pretty sure it all worked. Anyways, it was 3 for $4, dollar off the 3 load, and then you get $1 back. So it made 3 for $2. The Wayland slippers, these were $48. No extra bucks. I just used some of mine. And then the Green Giant was $1.89 with $1.89 back. So true net cost for all this is $8.86. Out of pocket, I paid $3.41, so I lost cash at $3.41. I don't think that's too bad for all this stuff, especially this. You know, you don't even pay that at Walmart for one of these things. So I'm really happy with it today. And the slippers, awesome time at the drugstores. So that was CVS. If you haven't checked out my Rite Aid video, be sure to check that out. I got some really good deals at Rite Aid. Phenomenal time over there. I probably enjoyed Rite Aid a bit more than CVS, honestly, because I felt like all this stuff at CVS was just so small. But I really had a good time. So let me know how you've been doing Black Friday today, if you got your stuff at CVS. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.